What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm truly grateful, and if you're new here, consider clicking the subscribe button so we can go on this motorcycle vlogging journey together. So guys, today I'm going to do something that I thought I wouldn't do, and that is the installation of crash guards for my 2019 Honda CB500X. I kind of enjoy the lightweight of the bike without too many added accessories, but as winter approaches and roads are bound to be icy, I feel like it will make a lot of sense to have these bars installed so that in the unfortunate situation where I fall or drop the bike, I would be protected in some way, and the bike will also be protected to save me from huge costs. So in order to protect the bike fully, I decided to go for the crash bars for the upper part where you have the fairing protruding from the bike, and the ones below that protect the engine, just so I know that the bike is fully protected. So I got the whole set for the equivalent of about $180 US, which I think is a good deal. So in China, the biggest e-commerce store, Taobao, usually every year on the 11th of November has this big sale, and so I saved a lot of money from this purchase, and that's probably why I waited so long, because I wanted to have a discount on these ones. So let me show you what came in the set and all the parts that I'm going to install today. So guys, these are the lower bars that are going to go to protect the engine. So one of these is for the right and the other is for the left side of the engine, and these are some mounts that are going to aid the installation. And then I also have these screws, bolts and nuts that I'm going to use, and there's some Loctite provided as well, and there's an instruction manual inside that I'm going to follow to install. And if I move to this side, this is the part that's going to protect the fairing in the upper part of the side of the bike. So one is for the right and the other is for the left hand side, and it comes with its own brackets and screws and instructions as well. So if I will just flip this over, so this is the name of the company. Yeah, it's focused now. So it's called Lobu, and in Chinese that means like carrot, and for my motto for life, that's kind of their motto, their selling point. And it looks really good. The big one is heavy to lift up, so if I just lift up the old one, the welding is kind of clean as well. It looks like a lot of quality work has been done. Yes, it's focused properly here. A lot of quality work. Flip upside down. Yeah, and if I should pick up this one again, so there you go with your branding, and there's very good welding on the joints. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it feels really solid, and I'm sure it will do a good job protecting the bike. So that's one of the main highlights. I just wanted to also use this opportunity to show you that it's not all Chinese products, as many people think, are of bad quality. If you live out here, you know where to find good stuff. There are pretty high quality Chinese companies as well. So this is one of them, and they've got their branding everywhere. So Lobu for my moto life. So yeah, this is all that came in the packaging, and I'm going to start the installation process. Now, it's not very different from the other installation videos that you might find, because the installation points are the same basically. It's just different ways that different companies model their crash bars, such as GV will have something different from the setup that this company has, but basically the mounting points are usually the same places, kind of like this one and a few other ones. So I'm just going to follow the instructions and go ahead with the installation. Alright guys, so after some wiggling and tightening and loosening, I finally come to the end of the installation. So if you look, this is the left side. This guard protects the engine, and this one protects the side. And if I should just do a walk around, you can see how it looks from the front. So basically the bike is protected on all sides, and I'm really liking it. It goes all the way, and on the right side as well. So yeah, it's all done now. I just have to take it to a proper shop where they will torque the metals properly, and that should be good to go. Alright guys, so that's all for this installation video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said in the beginning, there are so many videos showing you how to install these things, but I'm pretty sure whatever crash guard you buy will come with its own instructions and its installation points to the frame or to the engine of the bike. So it will depend on your particular manufacturer of the crash bar. So thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video and leave a comment and tell us what crash guards you are using and how good they are on your bike. Till I see you in the next video. Ride legal, ride safe. Peace.